Hello viewers, as I told you in my first video about how we can create an account on Upwork, how we can earn through it, and how we can also generate income by joining its affiliate program. So today is my second video in which I will guide you regarding Fiverr, because just like Upwork, you can also earn by working on Fiverr. But in addition to that, you can also make money through its affiliate program. And in this video, I will explain step by step how you can start. For this purpose, you will go to Google and type Fiverr. Then you will click on the option where it is written, Become a Fiverr Affiliate. And once you click here, you will move forward and a screen will appear in front of you just like this. And in that dashboard, you will see multiple options from where you can start the process. But first of all, you will log in through your email. If you already have an account on Gmail, then you can simply log in through that account. Otherwise, you will create a new account specifically for Fiverr, and then use it to log in by clicking on Sign Up or Sign In. And after that, it will ask you to select a username, where Fiverr will offer you an auto-generated username, and if you like it, you can keep it. Otherwise, you can change it to any username of your choice. For example, my username is Explore with Assad, so I will try to keep it. And if it is available, then a green tick mark will appear in front of it. Once it shows that the name is available and has not been used by anyone else, you will click on Create My Account. And as soon as you do that, a message will appear on the top of your screen which will say, Explore with Assad, please activate your account. And once you click on that option, your account will be activated successfully. After that, Fiverr will ask you what kind of work you want to do, meaning whether you are here as a client or as a freelancer. And because we are here to work as freelancers, we will select the freelancer option. And then Fiverr will guide us with 3 main steps, which are completing our freelancing profile, creating our first gig, and publishing it so that we can start selling our services. When you click on Complete Your Profile, Fiverr will again give you some important instructions, such as not creating duplicate accounts, and not working outside of Fiverr by asking clients to pay you directly. Because Fiverr monitors all these things, and if they detect any violation, your account may be suspended. So it is very important to follow their rules strictly, and then click on Continue. Now you will begin setting up your profile by writing your first name and last name, and then selecting a display name with which you want your account to be visible. And after that, you will upload your profile picture, which you can select from your mobile or PC. And then you will write a professional description about yourself in about 150 words, where you should describe clearly who you are, what your capabilities are, and what specific skills you have, so that the client who wants to hire you can easily understand your expertise and decide whether you are suitable for their job or not. Next, Fiverr will ask you about the languages you can speak and understand. And since most of the global online communication is done in English, you should select English and specify whether you are fluent or conversational in it, because English is considered the primary language for communication, whether your client belongs to the US, Germany, or Japan. After this step, you will be asked to write your occupation. For example, I selected graphic designing, and then you will be asked to select 3 to 4 skills in which you are confident and can perform well, such as book designing, logo designing, app designing, or website designing. But remember, you should only select the skills that you can actually perform properly and not make a fake profile. Because Fiverr allows you to highlight your main skill and then choose your level, whether you are a beginner, intermediate, or expert. If you are not extremely experienced, then it is better to select intermediate, so that clients do not expect more than what you can deliver. In the next step, Fiverr will ask you to mention your education, such as the country, university, and education level. And if you have any certifications from recognized platforms or institutions, you should add them as well with proper details and pictures so that your profile becomes stronger and more trustworthy. You can also add your personal website link if you have one, because it gives clients more confidence in your professional background. And then Fiverr will ask you to verify your account through your email and phone number. You will receive a verification link on your email and an OTP on your mobile number. And once you confirm both, your account will be verified and fully functional. Finally, Fiverr will notify you that your account is almost complete and only a few things remain, such as confirming your phone number, providing your certifications, and adding your personal website. And once you add these details, your profile will become 100% complete, which will make you eligible for Fiverr's affiliate program as well. After that, all the people who join Fiverr through your referral link and hire services or purchase gigs will generate a special percentage of commission for you, which is how you can earn money not only by working on Fiverr as a freelancer, but also by promoting Fiverr through its affiliate program. So this was the complete step-by-step guide for today's video. And in the next video, I will share more valuable information. So stay connected with my channel, subscribe if you haven't already, and until then, take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.